A Roku TV screen that suddenly goes black or starts flickering can be frustrating, especially when you can still hear the sound but see nothing. In this video, I will show you simple and effective ways to bring your screen back to life. First, make sure your Roku TV is properly plugged into a working wall outlet. If you're using an extension cord, try connecting it directly to the wall socket. Once that's done, press the physical power button on your TV instead of using the remote. The button is usually found under the logo or on the back or side of the TV. If the screen turns on after pressing it, that means your remote might not be working properly. In that case, remove the batteries from your remote and replace them with new ones before trying again. If your screen is still black, it's time to do a power cycle. Unplug the TV from the power outlet and keep it unplugged for about 5 minutes. While it's unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for about 30 seconds. This step helps clear any temporary power issues. After waiting, plug the TV back in and turn it on using either the TV's power button or the remote to see if the display comes back. If the screen is still black or flickering, you can try restarting the TV with a special button sequence on your remote. Press the home button 5 times, then press the up arrow once, followed by the rewind button twice, and finally the fast forward button twice. Make sure you press these buttons quickly, one after another without pausing. Once you do this, your Roku TV will restart automatically. Don't press anything while it's restarting. Just wait for it to complete the process. If the screen still doesn't show anything, unplug all devices connected to your TV, such as HDMI cables, USB drives, or gaming consoles. Once everything is disconnected, turn the TV back on and see if the screen starts working. If it does, that means one of the external devices was causing the issue. You can then reconnect each device one by one to find out which one is responsible. If none of the previous steps worked, you can try a factory reset. Look for a small reset button on the back or bottom of your Roku TV. It might be a pinhole button that you can press with a paperclip or a small stick. Press and hold this button for about 10 to 20 seconds until the TV restarts. This will completely reset your Roku TV to its default settings, so you'll have to set it up again after it restarts. Now let's check if the problem is with the backlight. Take a bright flashlight and shine it close to the TV screen. Look carefully to see if you can spot any faint images or menu shadows. If you can, that means the screen is working but the backlight has stopped working. If you don't see any image at all, even faintly, then the issue is likely more serious and could be a hardware problem such as a faulty main board. In that case, you'll need to contact the TV manufacturer or a repair technician for help. That's it for this video on how to fix your Roku TV black screen. I hope these simple steps helped you bring your screen back to life. If this guide worked for you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Have any questions or did a specific step solve your problem? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear which one worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.